Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Quax live here at Microsoft Ignite. With me is Mike McLean. Mike, why don't you introduce yourself and tell everyone what you do?
Great. Hi everyone. My name is Mike McLean. I'm a senior program manager on the Microsoft project team. So I actually help support Project Online and Microsoft Planner.
Planner, that's like the hottest and greatest and latest. Can you tell everybody what Planner is about, why they should be using it?
Yeah, definitely. Microsoft Planner is a brand new service. We just shipped it in Office 365. It has a super deep integration to Office 365 groups. And the key thing is that it helps you organize all your teamwork that's happening in groups.
How is it different than Project?
It's really built for that lightweight team that needs
Got it.
something quickly to help organize all the tasks and all the work that's happening in their groups. So it allows you to quickly jump in there, create a plan, create some tasks, assign it to all the team members that are in your group, and then track all the work that's being done.
And from my experience using it, it's visual, easily consumable, and it's quick.
Definitely. Yeah, we really try to design it to be super lightweight.
Sure.
So somebody can jump in. It's very, very easy to learn.
Right.
So the ramp is very, very quick. And you can start creating tasks with really only knowing the task name and who you want to do the work.
Awesome. Now, let me ask you, Mike, how long have you been with Microsoft?
I've been at Microsoft a little over 11 years.
11 years. So, just looking back, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you can be sentimental, but how's the evolution of project management technologies from Microsoft? I mean, obviously projects always been there,
Right.
Planner, and then we've got Wunderlist, we've got all these new workloads and capabilities, which is exciting. Well, what are your thoughts about it in relation to the industry itself?
Well, it's really evolved quite a bit. I think when I look back at when I first joined the team, we didn't even have Office 365. We had our on-premises project server,
Sure.
we had the project client, and it was really up to our customers to secure the hardware that they needed, to deploy the software. They had to do all of the capacity management,
Sure.
understand like what type of workload they're going to have. And just within the past 5 to 6 years, we've taken that whole product, we made it available online as an online service, so you can get up and running super quick. You can subscribe to it within minutes and start creating your projects.
Sure.
So it's been really interesting to see how just the deployment has evolved over time. And then within Microsoft, we've actually been running Project Online ourselves in
Sure.
the data center. So we've learned quite a bit about what's needed and how we need to modify the architecture.
Right.
Just to give you an example, when we first shipped Project Server years ago, you needed 4 databases for every instance of project, right? And so we consolidated that down to 1. And then by running the online service, we realized, wow, we could make this even better, right? And so we actually modified that architecture and moved even deeper into SharePoint.
Right.
And now all of our customers on premises benefit from all those advancements that we've done.
And I mean, even in the industry, if you just look at project management in general, everybody's a project manager.
Mm-hmm.
And with just how everything's moving so fast, it's important that not only you provide the cloud offering, mobile capabilities, the agility, and I think that's where tools again like Planner comes in and makes sense.
Right.
Now, Ignite.
Yeah.
I mean, are you tired yet?
Oh man, it's so crazy. I talked to so many customers the first 2 days. I was like, I cannot believe it's only Monday. I mean, they pack so much content into this conference. It's amazing.
And there's what? We have 2 more days or 3 more days.
Right.
Something like that.
Yeah, we're halfway there.
So, you've been to a lot of events, right? From back in the old good days of Project Conference, SharePoint Conference, TechEd, the first Ignite, second Ignite. So what do you think about this Ignite?
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, I definitely think they've improved over last year. They've taken it up another notch. It's amazing. I think like as our services scale for customers, they're scaling Ignite in our conferences as well.
Yeah.
We've gone from conferences with like a couple thousand people to 10,000 in Vegas with SharePoint conference.
Sure.
Now we're here in Atlanta with 20,000 attendees.
Yeah, it's like 23,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
And like you, I find this Ignite, like the messaging is so solid. It's one message around transformation. And I've gotten a lot of great feedback from customers as well. Everybody's so excited.
Yeah, no, that's good. Yeah, I can't believe that just the flow of traffic and customers.
Sure.
And, people they're grabbing content from so many different places too at this conference. I mean, they're attending the 75-minute sessions, and then they're jumping into the 20-minute theater sessions.
Sure.
So like as they're walking through the expo, they're like, oh wow, this sounds interesting.
Yeah.
And they're grabbing 20 minutes of how do I establish my online practice, right? Or how do I ramp up on this product? And then in the main hall downstairs where we eat, you can sit down there on the couch and plug into all these sessions that are streaming live.
That's crazy.
So
and then they come to the booth and talk to somebody and then play around technology.
Yeah. So
awesome. Well, Mike, before I let you go, I got to ask you this. Other than Project and Planner, if you're a Microsoft product, what would you be and why?
All right. So other than Project, if I was going to be any Microsoft product, This might sound a little boring at first, but I'll explain why.
Okay.
I would probably be Excel.
Excel. Okay.
All right. But here's why. Because I think if you look at Excel and the types of things you can do with it, I've seen people do anything from hardcore number crunching, right, that scales up, to millions of rows, to very, very simple forms that they need to, create for their classrooms or whatever, right? Just drop in a few numbers, drop in some pictures. I know. I try to be kind of agile in what I do, so I can jump in, do a little thing here, do a big thing here, and kind of navigate between different scenarios.
Right.
So I think Excel can kind of fill that niche.
The flexibility. Of
yeah,
Excel,
it's like
right?
the flexibility, right? So I try to be kind of flexible in what I do at work.
That works out with your whole CrossFit thing too. So anyway, well, great, Mike. Thank you again, and
great. Thanks for having me.
I'm going to catch you later. But guys, check out Planner, check out Project. Mike McLean. Till the next episode. Thank you.
Thanks.